Okay, this is called vacuuming the kitty. And just so you know, that's a real vacuum cleaner there. That's a Dyson ball. Here's Maya vacuuming the kitty. I mean, who'd have thunk it? A cat that likes to be vacuumed. Check that out. Sweetheart, you like being vacuumed, don't you? Oh, what a sweetheart you are. Okay, that's enough of this video. We don't want to bore everybody to death. I hope you liked the video, vacuuming the kitty.